Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Due to the heightened fears over the spread of COVID-19 in the island, the Jamaica Racing Commission has decided to suspend racing at Caymana Park indefinitely. As Denise Walters reports, stakeholders had a meeting at the track on Thursday morning and agreed that this weekend's meet could go ahead. However, the JRC stepped in and changed all that.
Chairman of the Jamaica Racing Commission, Clovis Metcalf, in an interview with TVJ Sports on Thursday, said it was in the best interest of the public to suspend racing at Caymana Park until the government says otherwise about the status of events which can attract public gatherings.
This is out of an abundance of caution. You know, we are following the policy set by the government that is really discouraging mass gathering. And in the interest of people, we do believe that life's more important than sport.
Earlier on Thursday, stakeholders met at Caymana Park and had decided that measures would be put in place for the race meets set for Saturday and Sunday to go ahead.
So we are doing everything necessary to contain the spread of this virus. At this point, I think racing should go ahead.
Because based on how our racing fraternity is set up and the chairman and the CEO are taking the necessary precautions, I have no concern.
Already installing additional watch stands, and as I said, we have all the sanitization. Our plant will be taking an extra special precautionary approach with additional bleach, sterilizing it before racing if we do have racing this weekend, and after racing on Saturday if we do have racing on Sunday as well.
However, Metcalf admitted that the decision to suspend racing was not taken lightly by the Commission.
Because speaking with the chairman of SVREL last night, you know, I learned that all these activities would take place and available to put into us. You know, it's one thing to be there. How many will use it?
He explained why racing behind closed doors at the park would not work.
You still will have a lot of people at the track because you have the workers, you know, you have the jockeys, trainers, owners, you know, so it's difficult to have it behind closed doors. You have a lot of workers, all the workers would have to be out, you know, so to me that would not be an option.
10 race programs had been slated for both Saturday and Sunday. It is to be noted that up to sports time internationally, there will be racing without spectators in Ireland, as well as Santa Anita, Golden Gate, Gulfstream Park, Keeneland Park, Aqueduct, Laurel Park, Turfway Park and Pimlico, all in the United States. It's a similar situation for the Dubai World Cup set for March 28 in the United Arab Emirates. However, Cheltenham in England will continue its schedule as usual. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.